All right, Mr. Blue, step out for me real quick.
I ain't got to get out of the vehicle.
Yes, you do, because I got probable cause to search the vehicle now.
Why?
Because he said there's a roach in the car. So you're going to step out of the car, or I'm going to have to forcibly remove you from the car. And if you don't comply, you will be placed under arrest for disorderly conduct and obstructing governmental operations. So step out of the vehicle now. Don't reach around inside the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Fuck you, man.
Now, you want to go to jail? Keep it up.
I'm not scared of jail.
Here. Well, okay. Well, I can oblige you on that.
What are you doing?
Hey, don't reach for anything. Do you understand that?
I don't.
Drop what you got in your hands.
No, I'm videotaping this shit. That's fine.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Get on the ground. You're under arrest.
For what?
Turn around. Get on the ground. You're going to get it again. Get on the ground.
I'm on the ground, you
You're going to get it again. Lay on your belly.
I'm on the ground.
Lay on your belly. Lay on your belly. Put your hands behind your back.
The fuck?
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't.
Put your hands behind your back.
I can't. Oh, you fucked up, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Motherfucker, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, man. Oh. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Yes, you can. Put them behind your back.
Man.
Put your hand behind your back.
What the fuck is your deal, man?
Put your hand behind your back.
They are.
Dude, you're going to get lit up again.
They are behind my back.
All the way behind your back.
Okay.
All the way.
Hands up.
Don't move.
The fuck is your problem?
Don't move.
I'm not moving.
Don't you move, bub.
I'm not. What the fuck, man? I didn't do nothing.
You're under arrest. I've already told you that once.
I didn't do nothing.
511 E-Town.
511.
The fuck? Oh my god, that hurts so bad.
That's Jim.
Oh.
Are you 65?
65 now. I got one detained and one in the back.
The fuck,
Sorry,
man? I didn't do nothing.
905, start for 6119 Raineyville Road, that's 511's location. 10-4 now.
I didn't do nothing, man. Just leave me alone. The fuck?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, obstructing governmental operations.
I didn't do nothing, man. I had my phone in my hand, goddamn.
And I told you to drop it, and you told me no.
So?
So?
My back is fucking killing me.
Well, you know what? Turn over on your butt. Turn over on your butt
You
now.
have to wait. I can't just fucking turn over like that. I got a broke back.
You ain't got a broke back, Dawson.
Yes, I do. I broke it years ago.
Sit up.
Oh. I broke it in a car wreck. Oh,
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used
I
against
tried to be silent.
Hey, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney and to have an attorney present during questioning.
What the fuck?
You cannot afford an attorney who won't be appointed to you before you answer any question or make any statements. Do you understand your rights?
No, yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh, man.